if you see the back plate of this speaker, this is two-way full range elements. So when I spoke about configuration, if you see, this is full range, not by amp. If you see the configuration on this speaker is +1 -1. So you need a 2-core cable to drive this speaker, because this speaker already has passive crossover inside that splits between the over and the high frequency. So this one now, you don't need an active crossover before you can use this guy. If you use equalizer, fine, just to tune your speaker, that is fine, because on your digital mixer you have your each bus out as independent equalizer. So what you need to do, just look for a proper amplifier that will drive this speaker very well, not an amplifier that will blow off the speaker, or the amplifier that is lower to this power, because this speaker is just a 400 watts. So you have a passive crossover, inbuilt passive crossover, so you don't need an active crossover for this guy. It's different. The configuration of this guy is different to the one you have on the line array system. I think you understand. So this is the cable. You see that this one is different from the one, the configuration we have here is different. It's just 2-core. So, but on a bi-amp configuration for the line array, you will need 4 cable. Now let me explain it more further. We have about 3 different configurations for line array system. Number 1, you have in a line array system that is 2-way or 3-way, where you have option for bi-amp or passive. There are 3 ways line array bus. There are 2 ways. Where you have 3-way bi-amp, that means you have low mid, high mid, and high. So that line array box, we have 2 different size of speaker inbuilt. It might be 12 inches for the low mid, or 15 inches on the low mid, 10 inches for the high mid before the high. So the size of the speaker for the line array, for that kind of line array, 3-way line array, will be NI8. That speaker is bigger than this one. It's a very mighty speaker, so it will be more bigger than this. But for 2-way configuration, for 2-way bi-amp configuration line array, this is what you have. So you make sure that you connect the 4-core. But in the case of full range speaker, what you just need is 2-core cable, so with inbuilt passive crossover. So thank you very much. That is what I just said I should show my followers. In case you find my video interesting, don't forget to hit a like button and share with others.